many years, the prevailing view in psychology was that a memory would not change once it was formed. However, research conducted over the last 20 to 25 years has played a significant role in changing this picture drastically. We now know that memory is not stable as once thought. It is a system open to change. This is where a crucial concept comes into play: memory reconsolidation. Although it sounds technical, the process is actually simple. When we recall a memory, it is briefly reopened. During this time, memory becomes temporarily fragile and is then re-encoded. In this process, the memory is rewritten rather than being saved exactly as it was. This shows that memories are not exact copies but mental representations that are updated over time. It also means that interfering with this rewriting process allows an experience to be encoded differently from its original form. So, does this process occur automatically every time we remember something? No. Research shows that it is not as easy as we might think. For a memory to truly become open to change, there usually needs to be a prediction error. In other words, the brain must say, "I remembered it this way, but now something doesn't match." If such a surprise is not experienced, the memory is not expected to be updated. It is simply reinforced. This is especially critical for negative memories. The issue here is not actually the event itself, but the emotional responses learned alongside it. When the brain experiences a threatening situation, it encodes the experience intensely to protect us in the future. This is a very useful mechanism. The problem is that this alarm system continues to operate with the same intensity even after the danger has passed. Although it is not yet possible to remove such memories from our minds as we see in science fiction movies, approaches based on reconsolidation can weaken the intense responses like fear and anxiety that accompany our negative memories. We see the reflections of this in real life through therapies. These therapies aim to have negative memories recalled within a safe context while facilitating new emotional experiences. Yet, there are still limits. Not every memory is equally changeable, and ethical questions remain significant. In short, we cannot yet completely erase negative memories, but perhaps by making them more functional, we can lighten their burden on our lives. Maybe the real question is this: do we want to get rid of our memories or establish a healthier relationship with them?